Hello, dear students. I hope you all are well. Today, we are going to study about articles. Article is helpful to test the student's skill in expressing their ideas, organization of their thoughts, planning, presentation of their ideas in a chronological way, comprehending their ideas, and finally arriving at a conclusion. It is a piece of non fictional prose. The article is used to learn how to express personal opinions, give information, convince people, present and amalgamate variety of themes, etc. How to write an article? First and foremost, give a suitable heading or title to the article. It is advisable to give an apt title after completion of the body of the title. The student should be clear in their mind about the theme that is to be followed. The name of the writer is mentioned below the title. The article should be in accordance with the views of the writer. So the students are required to establish the context accordingly. In fact, it is a complex part of the article. The students should include required information in the body of the article, which consists different aspects like cause, effects, solution, and what steps should be taken. Conclude the article in an effective way. Incomplete or confusing conclusion is not acceptable. It should be balanced so that the readers can be convinced. Tips to write an article. Keep only one idea in your mind and give details of it. Heading and title of the article should be clear and supportive to the contents. Put your ideas in a chronological and planned manner. Avoid repetition of points. Language should be simple but effective. Sentences should be short and crisp. Contrasting views are mandatory which are related to the topics. Conclusion should be short and clear. Article should be written in the range of word limit. I'll be giving you an example of a picture article. Can you go through it? Thank you. Have a wonderful day.